JD Classics have a long association with the Mille Miglia, and this year are not only sponsoring the event, but are also running 13 cars for crews during the event. As the worldwide heritage racing partner for Jaguar cars, we are running 8 cars on behalf of Jaguar Works Heritage Racing in the event for celebrities, racing drivers and media who have been invited to take part on this blue ribbon retrospective. Undoubtedly the jewel in the crown in the worldwide historic racing calendar. In addition, we are running 5 of our own historic racing cars on the Mille Miglia, and in total, approximately 30 JD Classic staff will be on hand during the event to ensure that our driving squad have a memorable and hopefully trouble-free participation. Few companies around the world have the engineering, preparation and on-event resources to run this number of cars on a historic meeting of this stature, especially when a conflicting event means that we have a similar number of staff on duty at the Monaco historic event the preceding weekend. The reality is that for successful participation on the Mille Miglia, preparation on the cars takes place long before the cars reach the start line in Brescia. Here are some of the specific activities we undertake on each car before the 4-day running of the Mille Miglia. In order to ensure the best chance of a reliable run on this grueling 1,000-mile event, all cars we prepare on this event undergo a thorough preparation process. The event involves 40 hours driving over demanding road conditions over 4 days, so reliability and ease of use are critical to ensure that the drivers, with widely varying levels of experience, feel comfortable and enjoy the experience. To that end, after the cars have benefited from a full preparation, we work on a number of areas specific to this event's requirements. The engines are tuned to be more tractable and crucially to be able to run on pump fuel from regular Italian fuel stations. The fuel tanks are often increased from standard sizes of 50 litres up to 100 litres to cope with distances between fuel stops. The cooling systems are flow checked, pressure tested, and we fit a manually adjustable closed-loop electric fan to cope with heavy traffic conditions. The steering is often heavily modified with geometry and other changes to make it easier and less demanding over the extended periods that drivers are at the wheel. The suspension is generally softened a little, and where necessary the ride height is increased to accommodate roads of varying quality. The wiring on all of the cars is either replaced or reconditioned to ensure that the auxiliary electrical requirements such as cooling fans and rain lights can run throughout the event. The reality is that with the team and resources that we have at our disposal, we have an enviable track record for getting our cars to the finish, and during the event only a major accident or terminal engine failure would prevent our engineers from undertaking effective repair work to enable a stricken car to reach Brescia. The cars leaving our race workshop for Italy represents the culmination of thousands of hours of work to ensure these racing thoroughbreds are as well prepared as possible to undertake this grueling historic race event. JD Classics have unrivaled in-house facilities to undertake race preparation for the most significant historic race cars. Our competition track record in all the major historic race meetings speaks for itself, and we look after major collections for manufacturers and serious collectors alike. If you want to go historic racing properly and enhance the value of your historic race car with successful participation in events, talk to us. Racing is in our blood, and running cars on the biggest events to the highest levels of competitiveness is what we do best.